Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making green seasoning. This concoction is something that a lot of Caribbean people use. It's basically fresh herbs and aromatics mixed together to give your food a nice flavor. The major ingredients: thyme, scallion, garlic, and onion. Sometimes I put a little red sweet pepper. If I'm doing pork or chicken, I might add the ginger and the pimento. If I'm making seafood, then I might add some zest of lemon. And if I'm making something like jerk or curry goat, something that I want spicy, then I will add some Scotch bonnet pepper. But you want to have that base of those four main ingredients, and then you can add a little thing here and there if you're preparing specific things. So all we're basically doing is blending, pureeing all the ingredients. We're gonna be adding oil, so that liquid is gonna help us to form that puree. But make sure you use a neutral flavored oil because you don't want it to overpower everything that you're making. You want the green seasoning to go well with a variety of things. Usually what I'll do is I'll blend it out, add a little oil, and then blend it. And then if it's still too chunky, I just add some more oil and just keep blending it. It's not going to be perfectly smooth, but you don't want it to be too chunky. All right, so let's see what we're working with. Perfect, nice and creamy. It's gonna take your meat and your poultry and your seafood to another level. Try out the recipe, guys. Let me know how you like it. It really makes everything even tastier. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.